Hey guys, what is going on? Thanks for tuning in. I wanted to bring you guys an unboxing today. I've been waiting for this phone for a really long time. It is the Samsung Galaxy Nexus. Came out in Verizon. Finally today, I got it. Just picked it up this morning, and I wanted to bring you the unboxing of it. So, hope you guys can check this out. Hope you guys like it. As you can see, the outside the box, there's really nothing to see. There's a little. You can see it right there. There's a little Verizon bezel right there on the front. That's the side. There's the back telling you what's in there. The other side. And the top of it has Verizon 4G LTE and bezel up there as well. So let's just get right into this. Here you can see it's also got, it just mimics the front. It's also got the Verizon bezel up here and pretty much nothing else anywhere else. So it says Galaxy Nexus right down there. You can barely see that. Probably won't be able to see that. And there she is. So it had the film on the front of it. The guy at the Verizon store took that off. As you guys can see, I'll do another video on the outside of the phone and go through pretty much what the phone has to offer. But that pretty much there is the phone. It's the back of it. So put that right there for now. And as you can see here, it just has a little thing you lift off. And inside it's got the Master Your Device booklet. Bum bum bum. Actually looks like there's 3 different books in here. I'm sure it's just information about how to use the phone if you don't know how to use a phone, I guess. It comes with the standard 1850 battery. It's got the headsets in here. Let's take a look at these. Oh, they're like little buds. So those are the headsets it comes with. Say Samsung on it right there. Labeled L and R. I don't know if you can see that. Not that you guys care. That's that. Comes with the comes with the wall charger, the USB access. And finally, the micro USB cable. Good Lord. So that is that. This hooks into here. Dinky dinky. Into the wall. Bicky bangy boom. So now I will show you guys the phone starting up. Show you the basic phone booting. There it is. There you have it, guys. I'm going to make some other videos of of me going pretty much around the basics of the outsides of the phone, and then a first impressions video. I'm also do maybe a review in a week or so on the phone. Also, you can see I have the battery here, and the phone's on. That is because I bought the extended battery. Let me get this over here. I bought the extended battery for it. It ups it to a 2100 battery, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but that is the back of it. Okay, and let me try to get a good view here for you. How thick it is. That's how thick the phone is with the extended battery on it. So it doesn't add much at all. Here's the original backing to the phone that it came with, and you can see the inside here, right? Here, I'll open this one up real quick. So you can see the back of the extended battery. Really all they did was they shaved all this stuff down. They shaved this part right here down. They shaved it down, and they gave you this cover. And they made a tiny little bezel like under here, and a tiny little bezel going up. So it did not add a lot of thickness at all to, and it's still very, the phone is still very light. So this is with the extended battery built in. Definitely I think worth it. So that is that. Hope you guys stay tuned. Oh, I broke it. No. Hope you guys stay tuned to. Here's the inside of the phone if you guys want to see it. And there is no SD card in here, so that is it. And get you. That's with the extended battery. It's almost flush. It's like there's no real hump in it at all. So that's it, guys. That's it for the unboxing. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed.